We're going to announce it today and then the content is going to come out after some time. Wait for it. Miss ಆಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪೂಜಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. God knows what you know. See, that is Titan Eye Plus, India's largest integrated eyewear manufacturing plant. So India's largest integrated eyewear manufacturing plant. Will get your eye serviced.
Yeah.
What? Yes, what will get serviced? Come back again, you can't read. The only issue while logging with the GoPro is the mic. I'm not sure if I'm audible enough, but yeah. Good afternoon, Shubha Madhyana, Eldrigo Namaskara. Let me check the date. 17th January 2020, and we're going to do something really fun and interesting. But before that, let me get into the car. Pooja is here. Let me quickly get in and then I'll tell you where we are going and to do what.
Dude, who parks like that?
Pooja just said I look nice. Honk.
I can't pass, no?
No, you can't. Honk. People don't know how to park. Okay, where are we going, Pooja? I was just telling that we're going to do something very fun and interesting.
Nothing. We're going to buy glasses. Not sunglasses, also glasses.
So if I'm not wrong, Chikballapur has the biggest lens manufacturing unit by Titan.
Really?
Yeah, that is supposed to be the biggest and only lens manufacturing unit in India. That is, if I'm not wrong, I'm 60 to 70% sure that is the case.
Wow.
And also today there is some left, take a left.
There's some offer, huh?
Yeah, watches. What happens is
we'll
yearly
go see
once.
watches also.
Yeah, we'll go see. Yearly once they manufacture watches
Me, I should go.
or parts of watches. I'm not sure. So they put huge sale, that is say 60%, 70% off on branded watches that comes from Titan, which includes Tommy Hilfiger, Fossil, and many other brands.
We'll go straight, no?
Yeah, we'll go straight. So we're going to do that. And I'm not sure if they'll allow me to show you all the watches. It's not like a showroom, it is a factory. Where
Wait, uncle, please.
they don't have outlet also, it's a factory. So yearly once they do it. So let's see how that goes. But the lens, they have a shop, right? Yeah, they do have a shop.
Yeah, I just
They
got
have outlet.
my prescription just in case. Dude, my mom gives me one prescription, I see. You know when that prescription is from?
What?
When I was 13 years old.
Wow.
And then I was like, what is this? She's like, this is the only thing I found. I was like, Mommy, I need the latest one.
Did you get it or you want to get it checked?
She gave. She was joking.
So even in a factory outlet you get discount. So let's see how much discount and what. What glass are you going to buy? Sunglasses or prescription glasses?
Prescription, bro.
You can get sunglasses frame with the prescription lens. You know that?
Yeah, I know.
Get it? No, that will be cool.
Yeah, that's the only way I can wear sunglasses without having to wear.
Yeah, people do that.
lens,
No, like your normal prescription glasses also, when you go to sun, they turn black. What is that called?
I know Anudeep has those. I don't know
Anudeep
what
has all fancy stuff. He's getting Harry Potter glasses.
Not Harry Potter, Tony Stark glasses.
Oh yeah, I thought Tony Stark.
No, he said round ones, but not Harry Potter, but the ones that Tony Stark has. I don't know what he was saying. He has some new look that he wants to try. No beard.
Anudeep is into piercings, tattoos and stuff. What do you have to say about that?
As much as I want to support him,
You don't want to.
I can't.
You can't.
Dude, it's okay. See, okay. I mean, I'm okay. I don't know. It's his life. Anudeep, love yourself. Do what you want to. It's my life. You know that song.
His life is roots.
I don't know. Bro, you know that song. It's that funny song. Velu Malish. It's my life.
Huh.
I'll do whatever I want to do. Something like that. Also, it's damn funny.
Okay, we have one more announcement to make. We're going to announce it today.
Not today.
Yes, we're going to do it
Bro,
today.
please, bro. I swear I'll.
No, we're going to just announce it today.
Oh gosh, I don't like you.
We're going to
This
announce
one
it
not
today
easy.
and then the content is going to come out after some time. Wait for it. Let us quickly go there
Yeah.
and
let's
buy
go.
Pooja some glasses.
Not sunglasses, just glasses.
I told some glasses, not sunglasses.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, by the way, what glasses are you getting? What kind of glasses are you getting?
I'm just getting glasses that are bigger than this.
Why?
Because these are too small for my face.
bananas are too big for your face.
These are
Yeah.
really.
Yeah.
Bro, these are too small. My other ones were perfect. The ones that were a little bigger. I'll get.
Let's go and see.
Yeah, that's why. I was like, oh, it should suit my new hair.
Pooja got a new hair.
I got new hair.
Hairstyle.
I
Hairstyle.
got a fully new hair.
Hairstyle.
I want it.
ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪೂಜಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Shut up.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೂ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ.
Shut up. I know Kannada.
Pooja doesn't know Telugu also properly.
You keep quiet, Akash.
Oh my
Mom will come and tell full.
How come there's not too many vehicles on the road today?
Sunday, no, everyone's chilling. Claire will know where we used to go walking.
Yeah. I've shown her some million times, but she still doesn't know. Every day when we used to go walking, like, Pooja, this is the Titan showroom, this is the Titan factory and stuff, yet they don't know.
Bro.
God knows what you know. See, that is Titan Eye Plus, India's largest integrated eyewear manufacturing plant. So India's largest integrated eyewear manufacturing plant. We're going there. Obviously, they'll not let us inside the factory and stuff, but yeah.
Where now?
Go straight, take the first left.
Cool.
See, Pooja doesn't know. She's like, I know.
I know that Titan is here.
But you don't know where it is.
We didn't
Left,
walk to
not
the-
right.
Oh, sorry.
This is what you know.
Yeah. We didn't go walking.
Oh, this is
Used
too
to-
wide. Pooja, this is Pooja, not Titan.
I wish I was Titan.
There. Why?
Can you get down from there?
Yeah, why not? Let's go inside. Okay, this is India's largest integrated eyewear manufacturing plant. Flat 50% off, it seems, Pooja.
On frames
And
glass.
sunglasses. Not glasses, sunglasses.
I better get good
Free
ones.
20-step eye test spectacle service.
Yes.
We'll get your eyes serviced.
Yeah.
What? Yes, what will get serviced?
Service? No. Spectacle services. That's only eye test.
You'll get your test once.
Yeah.
They'll do it here. Come,
Yeah,
we'll
they
go.
give for free with.
Yeah, it's free now. They've given here.
Yeah,
Free.
I know. Come on, Akash.
Come, let's go. Pooja is there. Which one caught your eye?
74 तो उनको 6 रुपीज
They'll have some inside as well. There are so many ones. And by the way, if you like any of these, they'll remove that sunglass and put your prescription glass. So the frames, any of them you will feel like.
But I can't wear these every day.
No, they'll remove the colored frame and they'll put the normal ones like that.
Okay.
How many have you shortlisted? And after
This.
where one? Where the one that you're gonna
That I'm not going to buy. That I'm not going to buy.
that where that one that look nice.
This is nice. This is nice because it's okay.
See, nice. Wear that one now. Yeah, this is nice. Pooja doesn't remember
I
its
do
power
remember.
also, so she's getting it tested again. Come back again. You can't read.
FESKVG
KV gone.
भाई होल से कितना रीड कर सकते हैं
Oh.
मैक्सिमम
FES.
Pooja is gone.
A few moments later.
I mean, we should have actually understood that if we wanted tinted, we wouldn't get this thing.
Exactly.
What's the other one?
Normal ones. So the thing is, the watch sale that I told you about that they put yearly is over.
Yesterday.
Yesterday it got over, and we got to know only yesterday.
Yeah.
So bad luck. We'll try next year.
No, it's apparently in a couple of months.
Yeah. So in a couple of months. Pooja got new glass. She got a Ray-Ban glass for almost how much? 50% discount.
Oh.
Time to go and make the announcement.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Fast forwarded so much that it is almost 10 in the night. I know I told you that I'll be revealing something today. I'll give you a small hint because we forgot to do it. I know we just kept talking and then we reached back. We had a few errands to run. We did all that. So meanwhile we forgot that. So I'll give you a small hint. A lockdown stories is completed. I know there's one bonus episode left which is gonna come after some time because I've planned something very special, so await that. Meanwhile, we're starting a new series, and my friend Pooja will be the co-host of this series. Interesting one. Keep awaiting. So with that, we come to an end of today's vlog. Just started editing. We'll have to start editing, finish editing, then I have one more video, a travel video, so that I have to start editing. Lots of things going on, lot of more videos coming up, everything planned. So let's hope that almost 1 minute, let's complete it. Take care, stay safe, have fun, good night.